212, that's our rank, this country of mountain and glen. Out of 240 nations, Scotland sits at 212. 212 on the list of countries with the most intact biodiversity. That makes us the 28th most nature-depleted country on Earth. But before you drop your head in shame, just pause, take a moment. That gives us 212 reasons to rewild land and sea, to restore our biodiversity and make Scotland's wild places a wonder to see. So what can we do? How can we do this? Plant 1,000 trees, 100 trees, 10, or just one tree. Ditch the chemicals, the herbicides, the pesticide. Let the nettles grow and watch the butterflies thrive. Plant a meadow, it can just be in a pot. Build a highway, dig a pond, pile up the logs. So you've got more land, cut down some pine trees to let in the sunlight, leave the deadwood, allow the old river meadows to flood. You want bigger? How about a beaver or 3? You know the eagles are coming back, as are those tiny little pine hoverflies. We're doing well, big and small, but we can always do more. Remember to talk to the farmer, the stalker, the gamekeeper, and even your head teacher. Rewilding can be simple if we reconnect the people. Let's get more ambitious. What about those fishers? Let's stop the trawling and support our fishermen, protect the skipper who brings in our fish supper. But we can do even better. Get writing a letter, tell them you want your peatlands restored and protections defined. It stores more carbon than all our other vegetation combined. Let's make our land and sea a place to be proud of, a place for the people, a place for our children. Let's make Scotland a rewilding nation.